Oh hey, in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all some swimsuits that I crocheted last spring. That's crazy. Last spring, I know, but we're not even going to talk about that. Today I'm just going to show them off before the summer is over because they are so cute. So cute. And honestly, this was my first time making swimsuits and I haven't made them since, but it definitely won't be my last. She's so soft and pretty. She's me. Like, I love the color of this. I love this waffle stitch. It was also my first time doing that. And I gotta run it back. I need to see it in skirt form. But I also made a little cover up because these were my first bottoms. This was my whole first swimsuit and I was not very fond of it, but I was not about to take it up hot. So I just did a little cover up and it turned out the cutest. Like, this is the cutest. This is my next one and I did the same top. I was feeling it, so I did another one. But I used a different yarn, so this one is a bit thicker, but I still think this turned out super cute. And the bottoms to this one, even though I'm not really showing them off, they came out perfect. And I ended up writing the pattern down, but this was like the perfect fit. And then I paired it with another brown little cover up. This one, if no other suit deserved a cover up, this one really needed it. I was going for like that bikini, like that skimpy bikini, but I don't know if my ass just grew or what, but the bottoms to this were not, they weren't it. So I had to put this cover up on, and it doesn't fit, but it does. Like, it looks cute together. It's cute. It's different. It's not something I would normally do, but desperate times, honey. And then this is the last one. I went for that same bikini one, but by this time I was like, no, I'm not doing what I did to the last bottom. So I used the pattern that I did for the cream one, except I made it with two little string things. And then I just used that same brown cover up. I made these and I wore them, okay? I'm proud of what I did. And if you are too, you should stick around, especially if you want to see more of my journey because this is just the beginning.